Title: The Wonders of Nature and Its Interconnection. Nature is everything around us. The sky, trees, rivers, mountains, animals, and even the air we breathe. It is a beautiful and complex system that connects all living and non-living things. Humans are a part of nature, and everything we do can affect it, either positively or negatively. Understanding how nature works helps us protect it and live in harmony with it. 1. What is nature? Nature includes the physical world and everything that is not made by humans. It includes plants, animals, landscapes, weather, and natural resources like water and air. Nature is not only beautiful, but it is also essential for life. Without nature, humans and animals could not survive. The importance of nature. Nature provides us with many things we need to live. Trees give us oxygen, rivers provide fresh water, the sun gives energy and light. Animals and plants provide food and medicine. Nature also gives us peace and relaxation. Many people enjoy walking in forests, swimming in lakes, or looking at the stars in the night sky. The balance of nature. Everything in nature is connected. This is called the balance of nature. For example, plants need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to grow. Animals eat plants or other animals. When plants or animals die, they return to the soil and help new plants grow. If one part of this cycle is broken, the whole system can suffer. Ecosystems. An ecosystem is a community of living things and their environment. For example, a forest is an ecosystem with trees, birds, insects, and many other organisms. All parts of an ecosystem depend on each other. If one species disappears, it can cause problems for other species. Food chains and food webs. In nature, every living thing is part of a food chain. A food chain shows who eats whom. For example, grass is eaten by a rabbit, and the rabbit is eaten by a fox. A food web is more complex and shows how many animals and plants are connected through eating relationships. Nature and humans. Humans are part of nature, but sometimes we forget that. We cut down forests to build cities, pollute rivers with trash, and hunt animals too much. These actions hurt the environment, but we can also help nature by recycling, planting trees, using clean energy, and protecting animals. Climate and weather. Climate is the average weather in a place over many years. Weather changes every day, but climate changes slowly. Climate affects plants and animals. For example, polar bears need cold weather to survive. If the climate becomes too warm, they will have no home. Humans are now changing the climate by using too much fossil fuel, which adds greenhouse gases to the air. Pollution and its effects. Pollution happens when harmful things go into nature. There are many types of pollution: air pollution from cars and factories, water pollution from waste, and soil pollution from chemicals. Pollution can make people and animals sick and damage nature for many years. The water cycle. Water moves in a cycle. It evaporates from lakes and oceans, forms clouds, falls as rain or snow, and flows back to rivers and seas. This water cycle is very important for plants and animals. If the cycle is broken, there can be floods or droughts. Forests and their role. Forests are important because they produce oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, and provide homes for many animals. Rainforests, like the Amazon, are sometimes called the lungs of the earth. When forests are cut down, it is called deforestation. Deforestation can cause climate change and loss of biodiversity. Oceans and marine life. Oceans cover most of the Earth's surface. They are full of life: fish, whales, dolphins, coral reefs, and many other creatures. Oceans help control the climate and provide food for millions of people. But pollution and overfishing are big problems in oceans today. Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variety of life. The more different kinds of plants and animals we have, the stronger nature is. Biodiversity helps ecosystems survive and recover from problems like disease or climate change. Protecting biodiversity is very important for the health of the planet. Natural disasters. Sometimes nature shows its power in dangerous ways. Earthquakes, floods, storms, and wildfires. These natural disasters can destroy homes and hurt people. Many are caused by natural processes, but some are made worse by human actions like deforestation or building in dangerous places. How we can help nature. There are many ways people can help nature. We can reduce waste, use less plastic, recycle materials, plant trees, protect animals, and clean rivers and parks. Governments can make laws to protect nature, and schools can teach children to care about the environment.
The future of nature. Our future depends on how we treat nature today. If we continue to harm the environment, the earth will become a harder place to live. But if we take care of nature, it will continue to give us clean air, water, and food for many years to come. We all share this planet, and we must protect it together. Conclusion. Nature is a beautiful and powerful system. Everything in it is connected. When we understand nature, we can see how our actions affect the world. By learning more about nature and making small changes in our lives, we can make a big difference. The earth is our only home, and it is our responsibility to take care of it.